Hey guys, Jack Leeson here with startuptraining.com. We're going to go over how to use this scanner and how to import this scanner. So first thing you're going to do, download it via the Google Drive I got. And we're going to do this for the first month, for the first 10 people, because you guys have lifetime access. And then we'll do it again. So we're going to go tools, and then you're going to go import, and then you're going to go NinjaScript add-on. And then from there, it's going to pop up a folder. And there we go. So you're going to go to that pop-up folder. You're going to click this and then just go ahead and click open. I've already done that. So when you open it, it'll be inside. And then the next step will just be new. And then you're going to go to startup trading. Down here, the add-on is going to show you. And then you're going to click scanner tester. So you guys are going to be part of the testing group. Once you have that all done, it's going to pop up here and it's going to look like this. Now, there's a couple things I want to point out. If you've downloaded this, your settings are down here. So your settings on the scanner are down here. You want to make sure that you have that live data turned on. Otherwise, it's not properly going to work. Okay, so turn that live data on. And then these are all the settings. These are default settings. I don't recommend you change them. This is what I use. And then you can save that preset. So the preset, you can just save it as whatever you want it. And then you're going to want to make sure you load that preset. So if it's not working properly, make sure you always check that live data is on. Otherwise, it's not going to work. And then once you do that, you can go through the scanner. And then this is just also the other part of the scanner that notifies you across the board of different trends. So in order for us to be bearish or bullish, we have to, here copper's bearish. We have to be bearish on all three of these, okay? That's going to be the most bearish index. You want to be focusing shorts on those and longs when we're flipped green. Right now, there's no example of any longs. And then another cool thing I have here is you can actually add this a color link. So I have a yellow chart up here, a color link on my chart in Ninja, and then you can go yellow here. And then I can actually just scan through the markets easily. So let's look at gold. Gold's showing bear, bear, bear. Take a look at the chart. What's it look like? Very bearish. Copper, bear, bear, bear. Okay, that's the wrong contract. I need to actually roll that contract forward. We'll go over that another time. But yeah, CL, bear, bear, bear. Look at that, just dripping lower. Really, really helpful here. But yeah, if you do need to roll a contract, another thing I should really point out here, you're going to go to these settings here. And then I believe it's, where is it? Roll contracts. Yes, under presets. You're going to click that roll. And that should roll to the proper contract here. Let me see. Yeah, there we go. And that's the 09 contract now. Give me the right contract. So that'll just roll it over. You always want to make sure, because there we go. But once again, bear, bear, bear. This is rolling. But if you just make this yellow, and then you can do the same thing for here, make that scanner yellow. And it really just helps you flip through different markets. This is going to be extremely helpful when we're trading single stock futures, because you can just go ahead and actually scan from the top and the bottom. What's the lowest percentage? What's the highest percentage? Like today, the market that's trending down the most, if we're including currencies, which I know some of you guys, actually the Nasdaq's trending down the most here. The Nasdaq's trending down 74% of the day. So do you want to take a long in a market that's trading 74% of the day? Are you a hero? Don't be a hero. Follow the trend. Make it easy on yourself. If you have any questions, comment in the video. Take care.